Hello, and welcome back. Today, we will be exploring the very life of our Messiah, Jesus Christ. But first, think of this image. Picture Batman, got it? Now, picture Batman at a cafe, not fighting crime, but sipping a latte, maybe reading a book. Kind of a weird image, isn't it? Although we might be familiar with the concept of Batman and what a cafe is, we can be thrown off seeing the two merge if we don't understand the context as to why that even happened. To be honest, it's the same concept regarding Jesus. We may know common facts about Jesus regarding things such as his birth and how and even where he was born. We know about his family, Mary and Joseph. We may even know of the ministry Jesus carried out, healing and preaching to many. And perhaps even more famous than all this is even his death. But an important thing to keep in mind and understand deeper was how Jesus was a teacher, or in other words, a rabbi. Now there's certain qualifications that come with being acknowledged as a rabbi, but Jesus didn't fully embody these and was quite different, which threw people a little off. For starters, in knowing his disciples were mostly fishermen versus well-versed scribes, they weren't the most educated and esteemed in society either. What made Jesus so different, though, was the fact that unlike most teachers at that time, such as the Pharisees and teachers of the law, God's Spirit was one with Jesus, and this allowed him to teach the word with authority unlike any other. The scriptures were able to make sense, and he was able to testify not only to the Old Testament prophecies, but more importantly, their fulfillment and New Testament prophecies as well. And this was possible because he was the reality of the promises regarding the Messiah that was to come. We can see this even more as Jesus was also capable of performing miracles, which demonstrated the power of God that he had. As amazing as that is on its own, Jesus actually did the work of miracles as a means to explain God's message further so that people could understand and believe. It's important to really think about understanding what made Jesus so different compared to other religious leaders at that time. In the end, their teachings were created by traditions and interpretations, which would all lead to eternal condemnation because their standard wasn't of God. But the true one who was teaching at that time, Jesus Christ, was able to convey truth, and his teachings would lead to heaven and eternal life. Once again, thank you all for joining us, and we hope to see you again next time.
Hey, mortal friends! Thanks for visiting us at EZBible. Don't forget to click the like and the subscribe button. God bless. Jesus.